Hey guys, let's talk about extra añejo. How about 3 different extra añejos that you can pick up for under $100? And I mean, that is crazy. That's very inexpensive when you think about the time that it took to make these tequilas. You've got a plant that's been in the ground for 8 years. Then you're going to make that tequila into a blanco. You're going to put it into a barrel, and you're going to rest that thing for so long before you're going to be able to put this tequila out. And then to sell it under $100 is really pretty amazing when you think about it. So let's talk about these 3 tequilas that I have in front of me. The first one, let's talk about TC Craft, coming up NOM 1533. This tequila is really fantastic. Master distiller, Millie Barajas. So we have a female master distiller. Everybody in this distillery that works there is female. And they do a fantastic job making great tequila. This has been aged for 8 years, almost 9 years. And you want to talk about a tequila that can bring a bourbon drinker over to tequila. This is one of them. Go to their website, tccraft.com, and pick up this extra añejo. It is a limited edition, so get it while it's available because they said they really can't afford to ever do it that way again. And then let's talk about this single barrel extra añejo. This one actually came out of NOM 1522, Ileana Partida, master distiller. And this distillery just kicks out great tequila all the time. And Trace Agave started with her at 1522, and now they're at T-Top, so they moved to a different distillery. But Ileana put this together, and this tequila was rested in 4 Roses barrels. This is barrel number 40, bottle number 61 out of 138 bottles. And this was rested for 74 months and 5 days. The flavor profile of this thing is amazing. Great barrel qualities, but still great agave. And again, another female master distiller, Ileana Partida, just does such a great job making tequila. So this is one to find. I've seen it online as low as $85. I picked it up at a local grocery store for $95. Just blew my socks off. So it's an amazing tequila. Here's another tequila. This one happens to be Maddie from J Bear Tequila. Maddie got the opportunity to do a special barrel pick and did an extra añejo with tequila El Viejito, one of my favorite distilleries, NOM 1107 in the Highlands, just making a great tequila there. And this one's a little bit of a high proof. This one's an 82 proof or 41% ABV. And I actually haven't even had it yet. So let's give it a nose here. Wow. So some great agave. That cooked agave with some great vanilla and caramel and barrel notes. You get that, I call it a musty smell, but it's that barrel whiskey bourbon kind of smell that you get right on the nose. Nice sweetness. You get a nice vanilla, a nice barrel flavor with a little bit of caramel and some good cooked agave. And the finish is nice and peppery and a little bit long. That's a great finish. This is a great tequila. This one's coming out of the Highlands. This, like I said, NOM 1107, female master distiller. It is a really great tequila, and you can get this at lovescotch.com, I believe, for $79.99. So there's 3 great extra añejos under $100. And if you have that bourbon drinker that's trying to come over to the good side and drink tequila so they feel better and they're drinking something healthier, these are 3 great XAs to share with them and show them that they could pick up a great tequila that's bourbon-esque for under $100. If you've got a tequila that you'd like me to talk about, put it in the comments. Remember to like, share, do all those wonderful things. If you've had these 3 tequilas, let me know what you think of each one, or if you've only had one of them, let me know what you think of it. I love to hear what other people think of the tequilas that I talk about. Again, thanks for tuning in, and salute.